Mas pinalalawak ng Cebu-based car care brand na Xoooom Auto Spa ang serbisyo nito sa Visayas matapos buksan ang ika-20 branch nito sa bansa at ikalawang sangay sa Bacolod City. Narito ang ulat ni Jim Ray Biosa.
Patuloy ang paglawak ng industriya ng automotive care sa bansa upang mas mapalapit sa mga motorista ang dekalidad at maasahang serbisyo para sa kanilang mga sasakyan. Isa na namang mahalagang hakbang ang naitala sa Bacolod City sa pagbubukas ng ika-20 branch ng Xoooom Auto Spa dito sa Ayala Mall's Capital Central. Mas marami ng motorista sa Bacolod ang makikinabang sa waterless car wash technology ng Xoooom Auto Spa matapos nitong magbukas ng panibagong sangay sa lungsod. Layunin ng kumpanya na maipakilala sa mas maraming migrense ang kanilang environment-friendly car cleaning system na gumagamit ng special na cleaning solutions at steam cleaning technology sa halip na malaking konsumo ng tubig.
What differentiates us from our competitors is that we use a waterless car wash system. So right now we innovated as well. We kind of use steam cleaners to remove the the buildup of the dirt, and we have a proprietary products or chemicals that we use as to wash and wax, and with the UV protection already. So that's why we are actually here in Ayala Malls, in a commercial building, here in a covered parking, because we don't make mess in the parking lot. So this also creates an opportunity as well.
Bukod sa pagiging eco-friendly, dinisenyo rin ang serbisyo para sa kaginhawaan ng mga customer. Habang namimili o may lakad sa mall, maaring iwan ng mga motorista ang kanilang sasakyan at balikan ito matapos malinis sa loob ng humigit kumulang 30 minuto.
Here in Bacolod, we have a very good customer base. We started with SM City Bacolod, and because of the customers demand and the opportunity as well here in Ayala, we actually get that opportunity. We want to get that opportunity that we can set up here, especially in Ayala. This is our first in Ayala Mall, and we would love to serve the Ayala communities as well.
Nag-aalok din ang kumpanya ng exterior cleaning, interior vacuuming, waxing, at iba pang detailing services depende sa pangangailangan ng customer. Kilala ang Xoooom Auto Spa sa mabilis at epesyenteng waterless car wash system nito na nakatutulong sa konserbasyon ng tubig habang pinananatili ang kalidad ng paglilinis. Ayon sa kumpanya, bahagi ng pagbubukas ng bagong branch ng kanilang pagpapalawak sa Visayas kasabay ng pagtaas ng demand para sa sustainable at modernong car care services.
So for people here in Bacolod, we would love to invite everyone, especially here in our new branch, our 20th branch here in Ayala Capital Central. We would love to serve you. We're actually in the 5th floor parking. It's actually covered, and we're here to serve you. Yes, we are actually open for franchise. So if you are interested to open up your own branch, or you want us to run it on your behalf, we could also do that as a franchise investor. So here at Xoooom Auto Spa, we're actually providing that opportunity or a business opportunity for you to scale our business. However, create meaningful jobs as well and opportunity. And in that way, we will be able to create great impact as well in the community. Yeah. So if you are to inquire, you can actually email us at xoomautospa@gmail.com. That's actually X4OsM autospa@gmail.com. Or you may contact me directly as the franchisor at 0917-534-4477.
We're very happy that Xoooom is finally here in Ayala Malls Capital Central, and I believe that this is their first branch here in Ayala. And we're very happy that they're here and they're very welcome. And we're also encouraging our customers, for your last minute na mga car wash. So Xoooom is now here in the mall. So It's very convenient because while you go around the mall or if you have any errands, and you can leave your car to Xoooom to do the car wash for you.
Higit pang pinagtitibay ng Xoom Auto Spa ang layunin nitong maghatid ng premium at maginhawang serbisyo sa pangangalaga ng mga sasakyan sa mas maraming Pilipino. Inaasahan na ang patuloy na pagpapalawak ng kanilang car care services ay magbibigay na mas madaling access sa dekalidad na automotive care sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. Mula dito sa Bacolod City, para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas nating mahal, Jim Religiosa, SMNI News.